Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2022 Nissan Juke Premier 1.6 hybrid. This is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is a Nissan Intelligent Choice approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RC breakdown cover, a multiple inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have LED headlights, front parking sensors, LED fog lights, coming down to the passenger side front wheel, coming along the side we have rear privacy glass, now down to the passenger side rear wheel, coming around to the back, we have rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. Let's take a look in the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look in the rear. Inside we have full leather interior with white stitching. A USB charging point. Let's take a look in the front. Here we have the infotainment screen, climate control, drive selector, electronic handbrake, leather steering wheel, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.